माँ के पार जाएंगे मेरे.
My dear Christian brothers, why you are deceiving Christians? Why you want to take them to hell, is it? Our God is the God of our first father Adam. So Jesus is not our God. God created sun, moon, stars, the lands, you and me, and Adam, Eve, Shaitan. God punished Adam and Eve for sin. Did Jesus punish Adam and Eve? Did Jesus create Adam and Eve? Did Jesus create Shaitan? No. Then why you are asking Christians to worship Jesus, and why do you want to send them to hell? Why do you want to send them to Jahannam? Already God has punished Adam and Eve. We all are born out of punishment. God is a strict punisher. Come to one God, Allah.